Wireless push buttons are sold separately. Make sure you purchase a wireless push button prior to installation. You'll also need 3 C-cell batteries, which are sold separately as well. Remove the chime base from the cover using the hole in the back of the base as leverage. Install 3 C-cell batteries. Temporarily, set the chime base near where you intend to install it. Press the Tune button to ensure sound. Remove the back of your wireless push button and remove the orange tab from the battery. Make sure the battery is properly seated after removing the orange tab. To sync your wireless push button to the wireless chime base, press the Sync button and release when you hear a double beep sound. Press the push button within 30 seconds. You'll hear another double beep sound from your chime base. This indicates the push button is synced. Again, press the push button and you'll hear the door chime sound, confirming the push button is properly synced. Take your wireless push button to the door where you intend to install it. Before installing, press the push button to ensure the chime base receives the signal and it chimes. Once this is confirmed, you can install the push button. Use the supplied mounting screws or double-sided tape to attach the wireless push button to the desired wall or door frame. Make your tune selection by pressing the Tune button to scroll through the available door chime sounds. Stop after hearing the tune you want. Adjust the sound volume with the volume dial. Mount the chime base to your home's wall using the supplied hardware kit. Place the chime cover on the base to complete your installation.